Okay, this is a quick little video on the assembly and a quick demonstration of the Perla Barb 65cc multi-tool. Oh, g'day folks, just a quick little video of the Perla Barb brand multi-tool. I've particularly wanted one for a little bit of chainsaw work at heights and also some hedge trimming at heights. I've just unboxed everything. And this is pretty much what you get. That's the Powerhead, and that comes with that little adapter there for attaching your tools onto the end of that. You've got a little shoulder strap, a booklet which I haven't gone through yet, a handle which I'd have to screw on by the look of things, and another little plastic piece there. Get a little thing for your 25:1 mix, some little tools. That's the 1 metre extension. You also get another little joining little boss thing there. That's the hedge trimmer. It's got a nice little plastic protective cover for when you're stowing it. And this is the chainsaw bit. That's the little oil reservoir at the end. I take it that the bar will fit onto this bit there. And it comes with the chain, and that's only a cardboard little cover there for the chain. Anyway, once I get it all together, I'm going to put it together with the chainsaw bit. I've got a few jobs for that, and I'll keep you posted when I've had a bit of a go at it. When installing the handle, just be careful not to over tighten the screws. Okay, the instructions for fitting this piece onto that, it's not that clear, but it's pretty easy. You just got to make sure that that screw, that this one here is screwed all the way out. And that one there actually fits into that little screw hole there, and then that's just a clamp that you do up afterwards. I'm going to put a little bit of grease on that spline there during assembly. Righto, just to attach the your multi-tool piece under there, it's just a matter of sliding that in with the hole towards the top. And you'll see that locked in now. I'm sort of twisting it backwards and forwards so to get it in the middle. Push that little bar down, the little flap down, and then tighten it up. Hopefully you saw that. If you're familiar with chainsaws, this bit here will be a no-brainer. Just attach the bar on the chain, and make sure you put some decent quality bar and chain on Okay, this has already been running, so it's warm, but it's good to see that the starter cord is one of the spring-loaded jobbies, so there's no wreck in your shoulder. So that